Hi everybody, my name's Gavin Davidson. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in beautiful Queensland and I'm just dropping a video in support of Foodorb. Okay, so first up, what is it that I like about Foodorb? I like the fact that Foodorb has the potential for mass market appeal without losing sight of what it is or what it's trying to achieve. I also like the fact that there's been some thought given around the user base, how they can interact and how they can be incentivized for their participation and their contribution to the product. One of the other things I like about Foodorb is the fact that it's going to be underpinned by contemporary technology using blockchain. How did I first come across Foodorb? I was first introduced to Foodorb when I met Ramya through another work function, and she had a few issues that I was able to help her with and sought my advice. Since then, we became friends, and I was able to understand more about the concepts of Foodorb and got a greater understanding of the concept, the product, and what she was trying to achieve with it. Since that time, I've been happy to support Ramya on her journey as a young entrepreneur with Foodorb. I believe that Ramya is intelligent and with great enthusiasm and passion and a desire for success. But I've also seen her take many knocks, and like any young entrepreneur, I've been very proud to see her dust herself off, learn from the experience and keep moving forward. It's because of this that I believe that I'm happy to commit myself and my network of corporate contacts to assist Ramya wherever I can on her Foodorb journey. So when we talk about Foodorb, what do I believe is the future for Foodorb? I see that Foodorb has a lot of potential. It has a potential to launch with a great market base and even grab the appeal of early adopters, which, as we know, once that happens, wow, hang on, the ride gets fun after that. She's got a great team behind her, a great concept, passion, desire. She's got incentives, rewards, and contemporary technology. I think this one will be definitely one to get on board early with.
Hello guys, my name is Foodorb Team1 and I'm a tech lead with Foodorb. I think for me it was the Foodorb's vision and the mission of Foodorb. I always wanted to be part of something big and different. Actually, we are not big yet, but I think we are getting there. I'm a Foodorb tech lead and I just joined Foodorb recently, about 2 months back. Foodorb was in a real bad shape due to the work done by previous developer. We are slowly fixing the bugs we have. It is in progress. Once we get the funding, we can even use the resources a bit better and we can engage more sources to get more done. Looking forward for that. The future is bright, and that I think many people will use it, and I'm pretty excited to be part of this journey. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Karanbir Singh and I am Foodorb's lead developer. At very initial stage, I joined Foodorb in the same manner like other projects of mine. So Ramya approached me and she told me the whole story that she has a project like this and this, and from past 12 13 months she's working on this project. And I was quite surprised that from past 12 13 months what actually they were doing, because the concept when she put forward in front of me, I can make this in hardly 60 to 70 days, because she wants that this project has to be at MVP level so that she can present in front of the investors and other users who can be the part of beta testing as well. So I was quite surprised. And then after looking into the code, what previous developers have done, so I found that she was trapped actually. So those guys actually just showcased big dreams to her, but there were many security breaches as well. Past 13 months they killed the hopes of Ramya. But anyhow, she met me. I told her, let me fix the bugs. So she actually want that make this project product stable so that she can represent in front of the investors. So I have done the fixes so that the flow of the Foodorb one can easily understand what exactly buy page, sell page, share page is doing. So that, I mean, it's easy for her to represent in front of the investors that what her vision is. I mean, honestly, her vision is far than what this product is going to describe you. Well, like I said before, that my position in Foodorb is as a lead developer. So my next target is that I should make this project in a secure framework first, because right now this project is on core PHP, so which is not at all reliable, and use a good database structure. Because right now the database structure is also very poor. So for this we seek a funding. And yes, like I said before, that when when the discussion phase is clear, when you had a healthy discussion phase, path is clear, then I'm in a notion that development is kind of, you are running a marathon. Then, I mean, according to me, I can complete this project in 3 months, including all kind of alpha beta testing as well. So then this product will be at a position where it can tackle at a time, if 50,000 users are coming on the website, then also website will be so much stable that it can handle the load also. So that's my next target. In this website you will see many things that Rama is going to describe you in the presentation are missing. Okay, so she'll describe you what our actual vision is, and that actual vision will complete it in 3 months. So we have a good manpower also, and I'm very sure that we can complete it in 3 months. I see Foodorb as something that touches many people. The reason behind this is, today this food market is a big market in India, but there is no such portal available which is so much user friendly, which understand the needs of the user, common user. Today, suppose, I mean, if I want to organize any party, then it's very hard for me to search a venue in a different city. Suppose I live in Delhi, and I want to organize a marriage party in Mumbai. Okay, so I have never been there in Mumbai. So this portal is going to help me, that there are many venues where you can organize your party with the ratings, each and everything. So it's going to be very user friendly. Today we buy products from Flipkart and Amazon, and there are many new products even we would try also. There was a time when people hesitate to try new products, but now they are willing to pay for those products. People of India are willing to do online payments also. Why? Because the kind of ease, the kind of user friendly interface those platforms have provided us, have pushed us that we should go with this. So in the same way, Foodorb is doing the same thing on the same line, like providing a user friendly interface where you can search anything about food. If you want to buy food, you want to sell food, like I said, you want catering service, venue for hire. So there are many things. Overall, I would say one stop, anything related to the food.
Hello, I'm Bikram Singh, co-founder and ops lead of Foodorb. I joined Foodorb because I like working with new technology we are using, such as blockchain. The innovative processes we are implementing in our platform brings convenience and values to our users. Our new ways of looking at things, such as solely focusing on food industry. The platform we are building combines content, commerce, and community to enhance user experience. Lastly, patching up the holes in a conventional industry. I joined this journey in a very early stages when Ramya conceived this concept, which I found really innovative. My role is to identify various processes involved and designing them simply in a user-friendly fashion. This will get much more busier once Foodorb is launched. I'm really looking forward to see our plans come to fruition. I see Foodorb becoming a household name and synonymous with food. Our plans with Foodorb are huge, as you will see in the pitch deck, and there will be much more as we grow. We want to make Foodorb known for anything food in India and rest of the world. Thanks for hearing me out, and have a good day.
I'm Ramya Sandhu, the co-founder and CEO of Foodorb. I founded Foodorb with a purpose: to remove the confusion surrounding food and bring together all the fragmented food groups, such as food vendors, content creators, customers, browsers, and the various fragmented food communities all over the internet. Foodorb sees a value in connecting them and enabling them to help each other and be a part of each other's success. Not being visible and not having the necessary connections to support are the two main reasons businesses, especially small businesses, fail. Connecting customers to the vendors who can customize their food offerings. Connecting vendors to the customers. Bringing to one platform all the yummy content created by millions of fragmented bloggers. These are only 3 scenarios of the many more we considered when developing Foodorb. Also at Foodorb, we're building a platform for the next generation by using technologies such as blockchain and our patent pending algorithms that increase transparency, reduce conflicts, and build a trustworthy platform where our customers can connect and belong to. As Foodorb's co-founder, I'm very much involved in bringing this amazing concept to life. I do a day job as an engineer. I could not quit my work after starting working on Foodorb because I use my salary to fund Foodorb's development. And I work on Foodorb in the evenings and nights. I have been working on Foodorb like this for the past 11 months. Over the past 11 months, I had a role in every aspect of Foodorb's development. We hit a small speed bump earlier this year in June because our initial founding team did not have tech expertise. We had management expertise, business development and strategy expertise. We had operations expertise, but unfortunately, not tech expertise. And our product is a tech product. So we used freelancers, but unfortunately, they could not share our vision. And the development took ages. And the product they delivered, it was not up to standard. So after a lot of looking around, we found a very capable tech lead, Sabrinder, who shares our vision, and also a very capable developer, Karan, who will make Foodorb very user-friendly and beautiful before we launch. Foodorb is not just my dream. It is a result of my realization that many others around me share the same problems when it comes to food. And trust me, facing problems with food, with something you need every day, and if you're anything like me, you need it 10 times a day, it's not fun. So Foodorb was born from this pain. I see Foodorb as a helper, as an enabler, as a supporter, as a friend, and as a wizard of anything food. And that is exactly what Foodorb will be for all our customers. And in a few years, what I see is Foodorb getting acquisition offers from the likes of Flipkart and Paytm as they foray into the food space. We'll consider those offers at that time, but we have a lot of work to do before we get to that stage. Backed by a great team, a great product, and a great vision for it, I'm sure we'll get there in no time. Thank you so much for hearing me out. Have a great day.